Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, a quick video on how to set up these alerts in TradingView. This was the trade we took yesterday. This is our free Telegram group. We posted this trade in here, the video above yesterday. So what we're going to do now is have a look at how to set up the alerts in TradingView. 5-minute chart, so we can right click the dot and then add an alert. Click that. It automatically selects the indicator, and then we're going to go down to extended once per bar, open-ended. Notifications, I prefer the handbell sound. I don't really want the pop-ups. And that's it. So we create that, and that's going to alert us whenever we see a green or a red dot, or whenever that fires. So if we come over here, we can see the alerts that have been created up in here, and then the alerts log. So these are the trade opportunities that we have. The other way to set the alert up is to go up here to the trend channel, click on the three dots, click add the alert, and it'll be the same thing. Go through and create. I'll cancel because I've already done it. Don't get confused between the alerts that have been created above here and the alerts log under. There's no clear dividing line between them. Once the alerts have been created, we can pull that all the way up and then have a look at the opportunities. Just to take this one step further, have a look at this shaded zone here. This is a 4-hour order block, and if you watch my previous video on the Euro Aussie, take notice of the higher time frame trends. So we're looking for confluence with the trend, the pullback into resistance in this case, and then the alert gives us a reason to come in and have a look at the chart and set up our trade. So that covers the alert, and if you haven't already, you're welcome to join our free Telegram, and here's an invitation to take it one step further. With VIP, you receive real-time trade signals, as you can see. And, I'll be taking these on one of my prop firm accounts, and what I provide is a snapshot of the trade that I'm taking. On top of that, we have members-only trading tutorials, and there's definitely an opportunity for you to take your trading to the next level. With that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.